Hello everyone, welcome to IDALS. I am Mik62, your IDALS instructor. In this course, we'll be learning introduction of waving, foundations, types and styles of wave, in which we have vibration wave, tick wave,
trace wave,
mini wave, thread wave, fixed point concept wave, rock wave, traveling wave, animated waves, snaking, and we'll also be learning how to make combinations. Also, we'll be having a basic choreography, and at the end we'll be learning on how to approach freestyling and waving. Learn all of this now only at theidals.com.